Welcome to Dura's world, where beautiful things happen. You can read the description box to know more about the channel and me. This is going to be the first video you would not be seeing my face but hearing my voice. So this is a quick tutorial that I thought to share. While I'm talking about that, let's just be scrolling through my feed. So earlier this week, I faced some kind of things on Instagram, and it was after I upgraded to Instagram Meta. Instagram for Meta. Right now my Instagram is showing Instagram for Facebook. If you look at it from here, showing Instagram from Facebook here, can you see it? But when we are upgraded it to the latest one, sorry, it will be showing Meta, META, which is the new brand name for Facebook. So it was a lot of stress. When I logged out, I wanted to do something, I couldn't log in back. It was so annoying. I was like, what? Like, what did I do? I could not log in for 3 days, and there was so much stress. So I started thinking of the solution I can do. Like, what can I do to stop it? What can I do to help me log back in? And that was when I thought of this, which is how you can reinstall old version, because I thought that was the only way. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can install old version of Instagram, and this website is actually a very good one, because you know that if you go back to your app store, you can install an old version of Instagram, right? So you have to use other source. So this, you go to your browser, type this. You can see what I'm typing up to down. I think they have an app. I think I've not tried app before. So this is up to down, and you can see their platform, enuptodown.com. So you click it. And this website is actually very good that you can actually install, for iPhone. It tells you which one. So I'm going to type Instagram right now. That was what I did, and that was what helped me. I was able to log back into my account. So you can see it. I click this one, which is the Instagram. Okay, just clicked. Guys, you can see, right? So the latest version is November 16th, 2021. So if I download that right now, it's going to be showing me Instagram for Meta. But because I'm avoiding installing this, I'm going to click the older version, and that's what I clicked. The older version is going to show me a lot of versions that I can download. You can see the one for November 16th, November 13th. Imagine they updated twice, in November 13th or November 13th. Sorry about the blunders. And you can see for November, you can see for October, you can see for September. I actually installed the one for September because I just wanted to log back in, and I think I might change back to the one for October, but you can choose anyone you want. Literally, you can see, you can go back as like how old you want it to be, and let's just go with the one for October 6th. And once you click October 6th, you download it from there. Easy. But because I've downloaded it, I don't need to download it anymore. So after you download it, you click this download button, and what do? You go to your file. Let's see. This is files. So this is apps, right? There are so many apps on your phone. It's going to tell you the one you just downloaded, and you see where to show you install from unknown source. Is going to definitely show. So you click if you want to install it or not, and that was what I did. I installed from an unknown source, but I've been using this particular platform, and it has been very helpful. So that is how you can install old versions of Instagram. I hope this was helpful, because I just wanted to say. And a little bit of warning: if you have not installed the new version, the latest version, don't. Give it some time, because I think Facebook itself is still fixing some bugs on that particular one. I saw a lot of complaints on the app store, people complaining about this and that. So you should take your time and not rush into updating your Instagram app. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope it was helpful. And another thing, make sure you've uninstalled the previous Instagram you have on your phone before you go install another one, so you don't clash whatever. Install the old one you want to remove from your phone before you go to that platform to install this old version. So yeah, that's the end. Follow me on Instagram. Let's connect. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if this video was helpful. I'm sorry it took this long because this is my first time doing this kind of video. And if you reach the end to this point, leave a purple heart in the comment section. That way I'll know you reached the end. Thank you. Bye. Take care of yourself.